In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent duplicate responses in Google Forms. This is a common issue that many people encounter when using Google Forms for surveys, quizzes, or any type of data collection. Ensuring that each respondent can only submit a single response can help in maintaining the integrity and accuracy of your data. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to your Google Forms page. Once you're here, select the form you're working on or create a new one. Now, this is where the magic happens. Click on the settings icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon looks like a gear, and once you click it, a settings menu will pop up. You'll see different sections like General, Presentation, and Quizzes. For preventing duplicate responses, our focus will be under the General tab. In the General section, you'll see an option labeled Collect Email Addresses. This is the first step in ensuring that each user can only submit one response. By enabling this option, respondents are required to provide their email addresses before they can fill out and submit the form. This acts as a unique identifier for each user, but we are not stopping here. Next, you'll want to enable the option directly below it, which says Response Receipts, if respondent requests. This sends a confirmation response to the user's email, further confirming that they have submitted their response. But the key feature you need to focus on is the option just below, which should be labeled as Limit to One Response. By checking this box, you ensure that a user can only fill out and submit your form once. Google Forms will use the email address as the identifier to prevent any additional submissions from the same email. Now, once you've set these options, don't forget to click on the Save button, which is usually at the bottom of the settings menu. This will apply all the changes you've made. A word of caution here. This setting requires respondents to have a Google account to log in, as it uses their email to check for duplication. So inform your audience that a Google account is necessary to respond to your form. And there you have it, a quick yet robust way to prevent duplicate entries in Google Forms. The combination of email collection and the single response checker ensures your data collection is both accurate and efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more tips and tricks on using Google Forms and other tools, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.